Hi, okay, welcome back again. Okay, so now we're gonna try to use the uh, more intuitive tool which provides you a text interface to configure the networking by controlling Network Manager, right? So let's try by first we have to make sure we have the correct software installed. Network Manager -TUI. Alright, so this is gonna install all the packages needed, right? So I'm gonna install that and say yes, right? So after installing those things, so it will try to run this thing. Let's let it run first, right? Now we'll learn how to edit this thing. Let me show you let me show you how to configure this using a tool. This will be easier for you, right? Okay, once it's installed, run nmtui. Okay, Network Manager is not running, so if you can choose, at least on some of the newer machines, you can use you can try to enable Network Manager again. Start Network Manager. And you can run nmtui, and when you now if you're using command line, you cannot have Network Manager running, but if you're using this text-based GUI, you need Network Manager running. So you can choose to edit some of these things. So you can set system host name. Let's see, this one we just changed, so you can see it here. Or we can edit some connections. We have two connections here, and let's edit one connection. You see the wired connection, it's running on Ethernet, and some IPv6, IPv4 and IPv6 configuration. You can make it automatic, link, local, manual, or shared. Automatic meaning it will automatically connect using DHCP, or if you choose manual, it will try to you have to configure it manually, right? So let's exit this. You want at least one connection to use the host machine, and the other connection you can specify this manually. So let's, in this option, make sure you connect manually, and you can specify an IP address. Let's say we choose 10.0.45.16 here, right? We can add more than one IP address for one machine, for one interface card. So 5.17 right here, for example. We can specify the gateway, DNS machines, and other stuff straight from this graphical user interface. So let's ignore some of these other options because our other network card has the gateway and DNS configured, so we're just gonna leave it there. The others we just want to specify the new IP addresses for this interface card, right? So after doing that, say back, and you want to activate a connection, and we see we want to activate this one, right? And reactivate it, so you want to restart it and deactivate, activate, just to stop and start a connection, and quit when you're done. So when you click ifconfig here, or IP ADDR, you can see now that ENP0S3 has two IP addresses that you just set, 10.0.516 and 10.0.517, right? So it says here /32. /32 meaning that the net mask is 255.255.255.255. If you want to change that, you can run ahead again and configure it, and you can say it to /24 and /24, right? And then just click OK, back, and activate. Okay, so deactivate first, activate again, back and create, right? So now if config, if IP ADDR would specify the now /24 instead of /25, right? /32, right? So NMTUI is a pretty flexible tool for you to use, and it's pretty much supported on most modern Linux machine, particularly CentOS has adopted it on CentOS 7. Ubuntu is supported on Ubuntu 16, and I think on Debian 8 and above supports NMTUI as well, right? So I hope this helps you in trying to configure your network. Later on we'll play around more about this, and we don't have and cover more about DHCP in a much later time. Thank you for listening.